Myth 5 is good grammar is good writing. I know you've heard this because every student, or almost every student I've had, has said that like a lot of their workshops in the past, if they had them, were mostly about looking for grammar. Um, but I will say this, like, grammar matters, but it's one thing of many. It's not a make or break thing. Um, there are lots of things that can make or break a piece. Like if you can't figure out what it's about, it's unconvincing, has terrible evidence, is supposed to be engaging, but it's not, and you couldn't make it all, your audience can't make it all the way through it. The thoughts are disorganized, it rambles, goes off onto tangents, has poor examples. There's all kinds of things that can make or break things. So it isn't just grammar. I think we tend to say like grammar is the backbone and grammar makes you a good writer. But I know lots of good writers that are not strong grammarians. That's why they have editors. Um, I until I had to teach a grammar class in like my early 20s, I had never learned an actual grammar rule. I didn't take a grammar class like since like elementary school. I knew nouns and verbs, and maybe if you asked me what a preposition was, I would have gotten it. But that was about it. But I still had pretty good grammar because I had read and written a lot, and I had a feel for how things should sound and what they should look like. So I could tell you that something was wrong, but not why until I had to teach the class and I had to read the textbook. But again, it's like it's one skill of many, and even in different majors, sometimes grammar is valued differently, and there can even be different grammar rules and changes in grammar rules depending on what field you're in.